Okay, we're going to talk about how we actually use the definition of the derivative. I'm not going to go over what the definition of the derivative is because I feel like that just deserves a whole another video. And if you need that, just say it in the comments and I'll explain it. Pretty simple once you really think about it. But you can see right now, I already have the definition of the derivative written out. Definition of the derivative is limit h as h approaches 0, f of x plus h minus f of x over h. So how would we use the definition of the derivative? Well, we need a function first. So say we have, for an example, a function f of x is now equal to half of x squared. Now we want to find the derivative of f of 2. So derivative of f prime of 2. We need to find this. And we can do that using the definition of the derivative. So we have it written out here. Let's try and plug in what we have. Remember, we have an h now. We have an x now. 2 is our x. And x is nicely color coded up here in all the places we need it. So f prime of 2 is equal to limit as h approaches 0, f of, now we see that we need to put in our 2 here, 2 plus h, and then we need to put in our function f of x. F of x is this, so we would just put 1/2. X is 2, so we would just put 2 and squared all over h. Let me get this out the way. 2. And we can't really do much with this area right here, but we can do something here. We can simplify that. 1/2 2 squared equals 1/2 4, which equals 2. So then we could just replace this with 2. So f prime of 2 is now equal to limit, as h approaches 0, f2 plus h minus 2 all over h. And that is your answer. That is your answer right there. You don't even have to write this part. Sometimes you don't even have to write this part. This is the main answer right here. Main answer, but some teachers want you to write this, and some extra teachers who really love math to the point it's kind of creepy ask you to write this too.